Now, question number 11. In this question, a box is sliding down on an inclined plane. Inside the box, one ball projected with an initial velocity of u and making an angle of alpha with this box. After some time it is reaching q. Then find the distance between p and q. That is called range. So, first question is range. We are finding range. In this question, first we are finding range. Second, outside one observer observing this. What are you observing? At one particular instant it is moving with u velocity downward. Due to that, what happens? Ball projected, vision not possible to see outside observer. That is the question. So, for the purpose, what is the range? Outside distance also must be same. In which time? In time of flight time. In time of flight time, what is the range? In the same time, same range, distance, this box travels. This displacement S1, this displacement S2, opposite direction, resultant displacement 0 happens. So it appears rest, relative appears rest to outside observer. That is our second question. Second question, what finding? Velocity of the box. For creating which condition? Outside observer when observing projected ball, he is observing ball not projected like the vision created to him. That is our question. So actually what happens? Here g is the acceleration due to gravity. So according to resolution of vectors, what happens? This is g cos theta, this is g sin theta. So here what happening? Ball moving projected like this. So in this direction I am taking x axis, this I am taking y axis, coordinate system. So automatically, what about this g sin theta? Minus happens because this is x, opposite to x dash direction g sin theta, minus g sin theta. G cos theta downward. So what about g cos theta? Y means upward. This is minus g cos theta. So this is also minus g cos theta, this is also minus g sin theta in the case of ball projection. Because ball projected like this, in the direction I am creating coordinate system. So depends upon that, first you create the range. Now what is the formula for range? Generally on the oblique projection. What is the formula for range? U square sin 2 theta by g. So in this case, range R equal to U square sin 2 theta. Here what is the theta? Alpha. Sin 2 alpha by g. Here what happened? This inclined plane. In the inclined plane case, what is the g downward? G cos theta. Again the g cos theta also what I am taking? Downward minus taking. So that is the according to sign convention. But range is what? Distance. That always positive only. Due to the time range positive. R equal to U square sin 2 alpha by g cos theta. But you must apply sign convention. Because in equation solving sometimes use sign convention. That completed. Next what I am finding? Time of flight finding. Why? That range I am taking as x. This box also traveling x distance. In which time? Time of flight time. So I am finding time of flight. Now what is the formula for time of flight? Time of flight. Now second one. In that time of flight, what is the formula for time of flight? 2u sin theta by g. So 2u sin alpha. 2u sin alpha. G means your component taking downward. G cos theta. That also minus only according to sign convention. But time is always positive. So positive. So time equals to 2u sin alpha by g cos theta. Now time completed. So box how moving at an instant with u velocity. X distance, x means range. What is the time? This time. So you apply s equals to ud base of 80 square because here we are not uniform velocity. When it is moving automatically, velocity changing because in the downward, what is the acceleration due to gravity on the inclined plane? That is g sin theta. That is g sin theta. So you apply s equals to ut plus half x square. That formula you apply. Which formula we are applying? S equals to, I am applying S equals to ut plus of at square. That formula we are applying. Here what is the s? X. In which direction? Opposite to x. So minus. U. What is the u? In this way moving with u. Opposite to x. So minus u. Into t. T means time of flight. Plus of into acceleration. Acceleration how? Downward. Opposite to x. So what writing? Minus g sin theta. What is the acceleration along the plane? G sin down. So what writing here? Minus g sin theta into t square. That's all. So here again, what I am taking x? X means what? This is the range. What is the range value? U square sin 2t. What is the range? U square sin 2 theta by g. Sin 2 alpha by g cos theta. That is the x means range. U value we are finding. This you take different u. This I am taking small u. This I am taking big U because this is only finding. So what is the u? Velocity of the sliding body, sliding box. Into time, time of flight. What is the time of flight? 2u sin theta by g. G means downward already g cos theta. Ut minus of g into sin theta. What is the t? That only. 2u sin theta by g cos theta whole square. That's all. You take this left side, again do the mathematics, then we are getting cos A cos B minus cos A sin A sin B. That is cos of A plus B formula we are getting. After doing mathematics by taking LCM, we are getting u value. So finally, what is the u value after doing mathematics from this equation? That is u equals to small u cos of alpha plus theta by cos theta. By doing mathematics, we are solving this equation. You take this side plus happens. After you take LCM and whole square taking LCM, again here we are getting cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That is cos of A plus B formula getting. After cancellation, this is the getting u value. What is the u? Velocity of the box. So this is our question. This belongs to sliding body on a inclined plane.